You can have a natural look in merely minutes. Good morning, everyone. I am trying to get ready for work really quick, and I thought this would be an excellent opportunity for you guys to see me put on my face in 5 minutes. I use the red carpet strobing kit, and I start contouring my face. And if you'd like to see what colors I'm using on my face, because it has 4 palettes, make sure you check out that video, okay? And like I said, this is a 5-minute tutorial to share with you guys how you can like make yourself look awesome, okay, in 5 minutes or less. I'm looking at the clock. I'm doing good. Next, I'm going to be using Genesis Shadow Sense on my eyelids. I like to use this to keep the color from moving. I have very oily lids. Let's go ahead and put on some blush, a cheeky blush. So super easy to use. There you go. All you do is go like that and then apply it to your cheeks. And that is in the Live Beautifully. I will have 2 of those available for purchase. Okay, next we have the Eyebrow Stylist, which is not available yet. Eyebrow Stylist like this, and I'm gonna go ahead and use the fleshy color. And if you want to learn more about this and how I create a natural look with this product, I will try to find the video and throw the link on that so you can see that. But I did create a video on this. I just put the fleshy color on. Yes, I'm putting on my makeup like super fast. Anyone like comments about me making wrinkles on my eyes? I'm trying to get going, all right? Trying to get going, all right? And then I'm putting on a brown right up here. Oh no. So I have some, looks like I have some depth. And this is a Maelle brush. I do have Maelle brushes available for purchase, although they are not available on the website yet. Okay, so this was all done with the brow stylist. I know it looks like really crazy. Okay, now we're going to take the brow stylist and actually do what we're supposed to do with it. Okay, and that is grabbing the wax and using it on our eyebrows. Okay. And how am I doing for time? Ah! Keep my talking at a minimum. Had time, I would do this a lot more easier, a lot more precise. Okay, so those are my eyebrows, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of color right underneath. Give it. Take my Above and Beyond mascara. Secret Illuminator. And there you go. And I'm done. All right, all I have to do is throw on my lips. Okay, so anyway, I hope that was really helpful for you guys. That is how amazing Maelle products are. You can have a natural look in merely minutes.